Hi there. In this video, we will explain the 5 steps of using the Crystallization Systems software to run an experiment with the Crystalline instrument. Open the Crystallization Systems software by double-clicking on the icon. The first screen shows the File tab, which allows opening an existing experiment or starting a new Crystal 16 or Crystalline experiment. Connect to the instrument by opening the connection panel. Select the Crystalline instrument available on the network and click Connect. The other controls available in the upper right corner are Settings. Shows the default experiment settings and maintenance information. System Status. Gives information about the different system temperatures and humidity. The refluxing state should always be kept on. The Log button gives list of log and events occurred in the system. The Info button tells the software version. The Help button gives access to find any details about the system with help. The User Manual. And the License button. To create a license request. To start an experiment on Crystalline, click on New Crystalline Experiment. This opens the Details tab. Fill in the details of the experiment such as experiment name, username, and description. Switch on the options for analysis, then select the type of cap used from the available options. Fill the vial details such as compound, solvent, concentration, supersaturation, and choose the type of stirrer. Go to the next step by clicking on the Program tab. Here you need to program the experiment by dragging the desired step from the Actions section. The available actions are linear or quadratic ramp, to increase or decrease the temperature. Fill in all the required details. Hold, to stay at constant temperature for a specific duration. Prompt can be used to check any parameter, for example, if the solution is clear. It maintains the same experiment condition until you click Continue. Tune, to calibrate the transmissivity to 100% at clear solution. The program tile can be repeated by increasing the group repeat. The steps programmed will be shown in the program chart below. After programming the experiment, go to the next tab called Run and Results. Select the reactor in which the vial has been placed to perform the experiment. Start the experiment by clicking on the play button or schedule the time when the experiment needs to start. The start of the experiment is reflected by a blue light above the selected reactor, which turns green when the experiment is complete. You can pause, stop or eject the programmed experiment from the reactor by clicking on the respective buttons. The left side of the screen shows the reactor view and the experiment conditions like temperature, stirring, transmissivity, and the camera magnification in terms of pixel size. The available camera magnifications are 1, 2, 4, or 6 times magnification. The graph shows the live trend of the experiment parameters like reactor and target temperature, stirring speed, and transmissivity. You can select or deselect the parameter to be shown on the graph by clicking on the respective label. The images captured are shown below. Go to the previous or next image by clicking on the arrows or by dragging the crosshair on the graph. To change the camera settings, click on the Settings button and set the best image capturing settings for your sample. After completion of the experiment, click on Export to export the experiment data. You can export the whole experiment or the specific duration of the experiment by filling in the time interval. The experiment can be exported as a CSV file, images, and movie. At the end of the experiment or even during the experiment, you can go to the Analyse tab to analyze the data. The data can be analyzed as image analyses and transition points. The Image Analyses tab gives information about particle size and particle size distribution parameters. The camera details like magnification, pixel size, and volume in focus are given here. Transition points give information about the clear and cloud points. The performed experiment will always be available on the Open Experiments in the Files tab, until it is deleted by clicking on the discard sign. To save an experiment for future analyses, click on Save and Close. To copy the experiment to another reactor, click on Copy. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.